Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm doing a voiceover for this video because I'm not bothered to write subtitles. But if you watched my last video, we were in Boracay. So today we're leaving and going to the airport. I think when I was filming this, it was like 4 or 5 a.m. That's why it was still a bit dark outside. To get to the airport, we had to take a boat because it was on a separate island. There wasn't much food for me at the airport, so I just had hot chocolate because I love hot chocolate.
Guys, we're boarding a bus.
We waited in the bus for like 40 minutes before it actually moved. The flight was around 45 minutes, but I still went to sleep because I was very tired. I had a really good sleep on the plane though. I needed to pee so bad after I got off. I literally ran to the toilet. But now we're heading to our Airbnb in BGC. When we stayed here, like before we went to Korea, we stayed in BGC as well. But this was a different room and a different tower. I took a little nap because later on we met with some of our family and had dinner with them. We went to Max's for dinner and I had roast chicken because chicken is literally all I eat. And I went around the area a bit after.
Are you my bestie?
Then we walked around BGC High Street because I heard there was a fully booked here and it has 4 floors. And of course I needed to get my Sonny Angels.
Oh, they have moccasins.
For some reason, every fully booked branch that I went to only had the Animal Series 3, the Candy Series, and sometimes the Dinosaur Series, which was really annoying because I wanted more hippos, and they didn't have that. Probably because they get sold out really easily. But I did get the Sonny Angel tote bag. I was so happy when I saw this. The only one I want is this one. I got the corgi one, I think. Wait. Oh, it's Chihuahua. Okay. This is the Chihuahua one. So cute. Oh my gosh. I love this one. Now let's open this one. I got the cats! Super cute. This is the American short hair. By the way, I saw a bug here a few minutes ago. I was literally taking a photo of my bag and then my Sonny Angels, and I turn around and I see a bug. Anyways, this is so cute. I left my Sonny Angels at the other place with our other suitcases, so I only have these 2 for now, but I will bring them everywhere with me. I'm gonna open this now. So cute. Today, I am meeting up my cousins for lunch at Shakey's. And low-key, I did not know I had so many cousins, but the food was banging. I had chicken tenders and cheese pizza. After, I went back to Philly Book and got another Sonny Angel because I am so obsessed. And I found Neighborhood Story by Ayazawa because I've been wanting it for a while, but I checked the price and it's the same price as it would be in London, so I might as well just get it there. Then we went to Charles & Keith to get a bag for my cousin, and we sat down and had coffee. So I opened my Sonny Angel. Yeah, this is one of the ones I want. Then I tried the hot chocolate here, but I didn't really like it that much. and I found it chow time, so I had to try my usual drink I get from there, which is lychee green tea with strawberry boba. But for some reason they don't have boba here, so I only got it with just the tea. Boba here is so cheap though, because this was only less than £2.
Thank you.
After this, we walked to Uptown Mall, but I ran into this K-pop store and I think it's new.
Oh, aircon!
Some of the stuff they were selling weren't even priced yet, so I couldn't even buy anything, like the New Jeans stuff for example.
I want this!
I wanted to get so many stuff from the New Jeans shelf, but nothing was priced yet. And the workers said that they will start to sell it next week, but I'm not even going to be here next week because I'm going to be back home, so that's really sad. I didn't manage to get anything. Also, have you heard about what happened with New Jeans? Like their live stream on a burner account about Minhee Jin and stuff? Yeah, I don't know what to think about that, but I hope these girls get justice. I always have to get a photo booth picture, so of course I had to go to Life for Cuts with my cousins and take a photo booth picture. It's just a tradition at this point. And after we finished taking photo booth pictures, we went to the cinema and watched Deadpool and Wolverine. We were originally gonna watch It Ends With Us, but there was no more seats left, but I ended up really liking Deadpool and Wolverine. Going back to our Airbnb, there was like a thunderstorm outside and lightning, and it was raining really hard as well. So it was so hard trying to find a taxi. Today we went to Landers, and it's kind of like Costco, I guess.
They have a BT21 toothbrush. Oh, they have more toothbrushes. Oh, it's a BTS toothbrush sets. Should I get one? Oh my gosh.
Guys, they keep on playing Chapel Row in here.
Let's get some and This is good. It has like mango in it as well.
Low-key doesn't taste like anything.
I have fries. They're playing Biba Doobie's new song right now. It's Beaches.
We just moved Airbnbs because the first one that we went to, where I did like my Sonny Angel unboxing, that one had like cockroaches everywhere. Then the one that we moved to yesterday, that one has no electricity. So we just moved to my auntie and uncle's Airbnb. We're going to another like hotel tomorrow, but today we're going to Mitsukoshi. I think Mitsukoshi is more of a Japanese place, so there were so many like Japanese makeup products like Can Make and Kiss Me Heroine. I was so tempted to get a mascara or eyeliner, but I just stocked up on them recently when I was in Korea. But I mainly wanted to go here for the fully booked just to check up on the Sonny Angels, and the only series they had was the candy series, and I was still hunting for the strawberry shortcake Sonny Angel, so I just decided to get 2 of them. I also went around Daiso, but I found nothing there. I also found this arcade and they had a rhythm game, and if you guys don't know, I'm like low-key a pro at rhythm games, so I tried to play this one, but it was super hard. The main reason why I wanted to come to Mitsukoshi was because I heard that they had these gachapon machines, and I love little trinkets, so I wanted to find some cute keychains and stuff.
I want this one. I want the TXT and Shinchan one.
Most of the good machines were already sold out, like some Sanrio ones and some food ones, which is kind of annoying. So the only things I got from here are the TXT Crayon Shinchan keychains. After this, we went to Makati Cinema Square to eat at a Japanese restaurant, but it was a bit rainy, so it was quite hard to find transport, and it was so traffic as well. And I kid you not, it was like the best food I had in the Philippines. The chicken katsu was so good. So that is the end of this vlog. It was kind of short, but I hope you still enjoyed it regardless. The next vlog I'll be posting will be my last vlog in the Philippines. Sorry for my inconsistent posting. I know it's Monday right now, and I said I was going to post every Saturday, but I have not had time to edit this. And today I didn't have school because there's like a flood going around. I don't know if it's just London or if it's all of the UK. It's probably all of the UK. So I had time to finish editing this video for you guys. Follow my Instagram and my TikTok, and I'll see you guys next week.